I still remember the first time I used touchscreen compatible gloves. It was amazing because I could use my phone while I kept my fingers warm and dry. Phoenix Contact NearFi Couplers are a bit like touchscreen gloves for industrial systems, transmitting data and power across a small air gap using 60 GHz near-field communication, so there's no exposure or physical wear from contact-based transfer. They can transfer up to 50 watts at 24 volts and support 100 megabits per second Ethernet with a typical delay time of 1 microsecond or less. Coupling distance is up to 10 millimeters, so you can keep housings sealed while still networking devices. And they're rated for -25 to +70 degrees Celsius, keeping links stable in real industrial enclosures. Use them in rotating applications, moving machine parts, and sealed systems where contactless data and power transfer makes mechanical design simpler.